In this CSS tutorial, we're going to be learning about icons and how you can add an icon or icons to your web page. Icons are everywhere on the internet. Let me take you to Facebook and show you examples of icons. So this is Facebook, and on top here you can see this is an icon. All these things are icons. You can see these things. They're all icons. This is a bell icon. You can see that. Beneath here, you can see these things are icons. So icons are everywhere on the internet. So let's go ahead and add an icon to our own website. So I'm going to teach you how you can add icons like this to your own website. And later, I'm also going to be teaching you how you can add an effect like this to your icons. If you're excited, I'm also excited. Let's get started, okay? Hello, this is my code editor, Visual Studio Code. And this is where we're going to be writing our code. And this is where I'm going to add my icons to my web page. I have a file, an HTML file open up, and I named it icons.html. I also created a style.css file, and later we're going to be styling our icons with the help of this external CSS file. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and start adding icons to our web page. Okay, let me take you to our web browser and then I'll show you our page. Let me reload, and now currently there are no icons on our web page. So let's go ahead and add icons to our web page. There are several ways of adding icons to your web page, and there are also different libraries you can use to add icons to your web page. Okay, so we're going to be looking at some of these libraries and how we can implement them onto our web page. Okay, so let's go ahead and then write our code. So I'll simply take you to our code editor, and then inside our body we're going to write h1 like this. And the first platform we're going to be, or library we're going to be getting our icons from, is Bootstrap. Okay, so Bootstrap has a library of icons we can apply or we can use on our website. So we have Bootstrap icons, Bootstrap icons like this. Okay, so we'll come down this way. Good. So where are we going to get these icons from? Please, let's go to Google. Okay, so I'll take you to Google. Please go ahead and open your favorite browser and then type Bootstrap CDN. Okay, CDN. Please click on this first link. Okay, this first link, bootstrapcdn.com. Click on it. Good. Now on top, click on Bootstrap Icons CDN. Okay, Bootstrap Icons CDN. Perfect. Now scroll down and then click on this link. Okay, this is our CDN's link, so just click on it and the link will be copied to the clipboard. Now go back to your code editor, and then inside the head, okay, inside your head, please make sure you have opening and closing of your head. So closing of head like this. Good. So inside your head, enter your link tag, okay, link like this, and then paste that link you copied here. Good. So we are done with our link. So we are basically linking to an external resource, which is a CDN and is also from Bootstrap. So with the help of this link, we'll be able to pull in those icons from their library to our website. Okay, so that's the main purpose of linking to this particular CDN. All right, it is an external resource. Good. It's just like linking to your internal CSS file. This is another way of linkage where we link to external CSS files. All right, so that's it, guys. All right, so we'll now go ahead and then scroll back to the top and then click on resources and then click on Bootstrap icons, and it's taking us to Bootstrap official website, icons.bootstrap.com. Please, this is where you get all your images. Okay, so just scroll down and boom, we have all our images in here. Okay, there's a search filter on top you can use to search for your images. So example is Instagram, so Instagram, and then just click on that image, your icon, so it's an icon. Okay, just click on it. Please, icon font, this is the link, sorry, this is the code we want to use on our website. Okay, so just click on this, copy. Perfect. Now we'll go back to our code editor. Fantastic. Now we're going to paste that code here. Good. So let's go back to our web browser and then check our work progress. Fantastic. Now you can see our icon is here. Our Instagram icon is right here. Okay, good. Let's continue by adding other icons to our web page. So go back there and then you can click on icons. Please scroll down and search for your favorite icon. Okay, so I'm going to search for something like user. Okay, user icon, and then I will be taking this one. All right, so this one, please click on copy, and then we'll go back to our code editor, and please just come down and then text that one here. Please, I'm going to add a couple of these images and then we'll take it from there. So I'll go to icons and then I'll scroll down and I'm going to search for YouTube. Good. Please just click on it. And then we'll copy this particular code and then I'll paste it here. All right, so I think the icons are okay for us. So we'll go back to our development browser and then check our work progress. So I'll simply reload this page and boom, we have 3 icons displayed right here. If I zoom out, you can see how small they are on the web browser. So we can actually apply color to our icons. We can also resize our icons to the size we want. Okay, it's possible. But before that, let's go ahead and then use other libraries to add icons to our web page. Okay, so Bootstrap is one way of adding or getting your icons. We also have Google Fonts or Google Icons. So we're going to be using Google to create our icons. Let's go ahead and see how that is done. Another source of icons on the internet is Google Icons. Okay, so come down and then we'll put H1 here. Please put Google This is for tutorial purpose, so don't copy me. So Google icons, and then we come down. Perfect. So we're going to Google right now to search for. We are done with Bootstrap. Okay, good. So I'll open a new tab, and then I'll search for, just type icons dot or icons Google, okay, or Google icons, it doesn't matter. Okay, like this. Perfect. So you can click on this first link, okay, this first link, and we are on fonts.google.com. And we have fonts and we have icons, okay. But because this video is about icons, we will be concentrating on here, this part of it, icons. Good. Next, what we need to do is to click on this FAQ, okay. Click on FAQ. Once the page is loaded, inside search box or search bar, type Google latest or latest icons. Just type latest icons like this, and then click on this first result, latest icons. Please wait patiently. Now you can see there's a link here. Just click on this first link, okay, Google latest icons, this first link. Just click on that and wait. Perfect. Now we are on this document. Scroll down, and this is a manual that will show you how you can link to their icons library. Okay, now there's a link here. Go ahead and copy this link. Perfect. Now we go to our web or code editor, and then we'll come down. Okay, so this first link is for Bootstrap, so we'll be creating another link for what? Google. So just paste it. Okay, just paste the link. All right, so after pasting the link, you can read more about their documentation. Good. But if you don't like reading, that's why I'm here. I'm here to show you how you can implement or add their icons to your website. So let's continue. Okay. So once you are done, you can go back to our previously opened web page, which is fonts.google.com/icons. Okay, good. And then you scroll down, and you can see here are icons you can use, and you can even customize them with this widget. Okay, you can see them, they're here. Perfect. So right now, what I want to do is I want to click on rounded, because I want my images to be rounded, and then you wait for the page to load fully. Now our images are fully loaded, and you can see our icons here. All right, you can search for an icon. You can see a lot of icons in here you can use. Good. So I want to use, let me see. All right, I want to use this search icon. So I'll simply click on it, and to your right hand side, you can see when you scroll down, you'll be able to see insert the icon with this particular span code. Okay, so you can copy it. You can simply click here to copy. So just click here to copy your image, and then we'll go back to our code editor, and then we will paste it beneath our h1 tag, which is Google icons. Just paste it there like this, and then make sure you format it nicely like this. So this is how it looks like. Okay, good. If you do also want that, you can do it this way, and then this way nicely. All right, so we'll go back to our code, our web browser, reload our page. Please, when you get an error after reloading the page, okay, maybe the image is not showing, this is the reason. All right, so go back to the page, Google Fonts. All right, make sure you are on icons and click on material symbol, change it to material icons. Okay, material icons like this. After that, you can pick any of these, whether filled, rounded, sharp, or two-tone. So I'm going to pick filled like this, and then you click on your icon again, and now to your right you can see material icons instead of material symbols, and then just copy it. Perfect, it's copied. Then we need to go back to our code editor, and then we can simply change this from material symbol to material icons, and it will work. Okay, so I'll just clear this off this way and paste my new code, and then I'll format it nicely this way, and then we'll go back to our and then reload our page, and it should work fine. And as you can see, our image, so our icon is here. Let's go ahead and add other icons to our web page. Okay, so I'll click on this second one or this one, and then what I'll do is I'll copy here and go to our code editor, and I'll paste that one to here. And then all I need to do is to format my code nicely this way. Perfect. Now I'll go back to browser and then reload. Now you can see our icon is here. Okay, so for now we are done with adding icons with Google, with the help of Google icon library. What else, or how else can we add icons to our web page? There's yet one library we have not talked about, and that is Font Awesome. Okay, so let's clear everything here because we are done with Google icons. And then what I want you to do is to go to Google and then type Font Awesome like this, and you put CDN this way. Once you are there, click on the first link please copy this first link. Okay, this first link, copy it. So you click on this one to copy. Linked, the link has been copied. Go back to our code editor, and then we're going to paste that particular code here. Okay, so we'll put link like this, and then inside here we're going to paste our link like this. All right, and then we'll scroll down, and this time we will simply copy our h1 here and then paste it beneath here, and then we change Google to Font. So like this, icons. Perfect. Now we'll go back there, and then all we need to do is to open another tab and then just type font. Okay, so type font awesome.com/icons. Okay, fontawesome.com/icons, and wait. Once the page is loaded, please, you can see a search box here. This is where you search for your icons. Okay, this is where you search for your icons. In case you are not on this link, please, on top you can see icons. When you click on it, it will take you back to this particular link. Okay, wherever you are, just click on icons and it will send you back to this particular page. Now we are searching for an icon, Twitter icon. So just type Twitter like this, hit enter, and wait. You can see we have Twitter icons here. Click on any of these, okay, your favorite. I'll click on the first icon, and all I have to do is to just click on this particular code. So I just click on it to copy. You can see copy it. Okay, now we'll go back to our code editor, and then we come beneath here, and then we just paste that particular line of code in here. After that, simply go back to our development link and then reload, and boom, you can see font awesome icons are also beneath, and then we have our little Twitter icons or icon beneath. You can see this is it. All right, so we're going to start formatting our icons and then give them size, give them color, and even give some of them hover effect. Let's go ahead and try that out. Okay, before we format our icons, I want you to observe something. With our Bootstrap icons, if you take a critical look, you can see that they all have classes, and the classes begin with BI, which is Bootstrap icon. Okay, and then preceded by BI hyphen Instagram, BI hyphen person hyphen cycle. Okay, so the important thing is the beginning, which is BI. So we're going to use this BI to format all our Bootstrap icons in one place. So we're going to be using BI to format our Bootstrap icons. Also, with our Google icons, when we take a critical look, or when we observe closely, we can see that they also have classes, and the classes are similar. Material icons. Okay, so we're going to be targeting this material icons class, and then we'll be formatting our Google icons. And then finally, we will be targeting our our font awesome icons, which also start with FA, which is font awesome. And then we can use this particular class name or this one to format our icon. All right, so let's go ahead and see how that is done. Okay, so we'll first of all target our Bootstrap icons, which is BI. So I'll go to style.css, and then because it's a class, period, and then you put BI, and then we first of all go to give them sizes. Okay, so I'm going to give it a size. So what size should we give to it? Let's try. So first of all, put font size. So let's put font size like this, and then I think let's give them 20 pixels and see how they will look. All right, and then let's reload this page, and they look somehow bigger. Okay, so I think maybe why not giving them 40? So let's just give them 40 pixels, and then reset our browser to default. Good. So let's reload and see, and now you see our icons look bigger. Okay, so that's how you format your icons. Let's go ahead and then format our Google icons. So copy the name of the class, which is material icons, and they are also identical. Okay, they look the same. And then we're going to come down here, and because we want to apply the same, almost the same styling to our icons, what you can do is you can just put comma here, okay, and then put dot, because that one too is a class, and then you add it there, put another comma, and then you put dot, and then we just copy the other class. So just pick one of them like this, copy, and then what we need to do is to also just paste it here. Paste. Perfect. And this 40 is going to be applied to all the icons. Good. So for the font size, all our icons will have the same size. Okay, now with Google icons, you can see it's not obeying our instruction. Let's go back there and observe. Let's see why our styling is not applying to the Google fonts or the Google icons. Okay, so I'll single out material icons like this, and then paste it here, and then I'll give it color, my icons color red, and then I'll give them font size of 30 pixels, like this. Sorry, 30 pixels, and then we'll go to our web browser, reload, and you can see red has been applied, but the font size is not applying. So it has turned out that Google fonts cannot, the font size of Google icons cannot be changed. Okay, so that is it. It can only be changed from their site. Okay, good. So all you need to do is to customize it from their end. So these things cannot be changed. All right, good. So let's continue styling other icons. Okay, so I will simply single out my Twitter icon, which is FA-brand, and then I'll paste it here like this, and then we're going to give it color, or yeah, we can give it a color of, all right, let's apply a hover effect. Okay, so we'll give it a color of light blue. Okay, light blue, so something like light blue this way on hover. So that means anytime you hover on it, it will give you a light blue effect. So we'll reload, and now when we hover on it, you can see that it's giving us light blue hover effect. Okay, so guys, that is it about icons. If you found this video helpful, consider joining me here by subscribing to the channel, the community we are building together. See you in my next episode, where we're going to be talking about buttons in CSS and how to create a clickable button, writing code. See you there.